Everyone wants to learn English because it's a global language. In this video, we will discuss some of the critical mistakes beginners should avoid when learning English. Number 1. Don't directly translate from your native language. Many words and phrases in English don't have direct translations in other languages. This can lead to confusion and errors. Try to think in English instead. Number 2. Don't rely solely on grammar books. While grammar is important, language is more than just rules. Immersing yourself in the culture and context can give a better understanding of the language. Number 3. Don't rush. Everyone learns at their own pace. Don't compare yourself to others. It's more important to understand and enjoy the journey than to rush through it. Number 4. Don't use one learning source. Diversify your learning materials. Use books, online resources, language learning apps, and conversation partners to get a holistic grasp of the language. As we conclude, remember that learning English is like any journey, has its challenges. By avoiding these mistakes, you are on a clearer path to success. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.